Welcome to the majestic Victoria Falls in Zimbabwe, the land between the two rivers. Your Excellency, it is with utmost pleasure and honor that I stand before you today as we gather for this crucial Ramsar COP15. I extend my warmest welcome to each and every one of you, global leaders, experts, representatives of regional bodies, and other visitors who have joined us. I urge you to use this platform to share knowledge, exchange ideas, collaborate on strategies to safeguard wetlands. Currently, humanity is facing the triple planet crisis of biodiversity loss, climate change, and pollution. And it is critical that we act now.
This gathering here in Zimbabwe of our global leaders, experts and representatives of regional organizations to address issues related to the protection of wetlands is an honor to us as Zimbabwe. On behalf of the government and the people of the Republic of Zimbabwe, I am delighted to warmly welcome you all, particularly to this city of Victoria Falls, which is famously known as the Mosio Tunya, the smoke that thunders, a living testament to the power and the beauty of wetlands. Today, we thus gather as representatives of our nations and as stewards of a shared heritage and future. We are one united people and the citizens of our planet Earth, with a sacred duty to protect that which has been entrusted to us by the Almighty God for both present and future generations to come. It is in this spirit, therefore, that the theme of this conference in the court, protecting wetlands for our common future, end of quote, is actually tied in its emphasis on the role of wetlands in ecological health, biodiversity conservation, and climate resilience. With these remarks, it is now my honor and privilege to declare the 15th meeting of the Conference of the Contracting Parties to the Convention on Wetlands officially open. God bless you all, and thank you.
I stand here as a daughter of Africa, and from two sides of Africa and of two sides of Zimbabwe, Zambia and South Africa, to congratulate you. Really, you have made history. COP1, which happened in Italy in 1980, had 21 contracting parties and was opened by an ambassador. COP15, happening here in Victoria Falls, has 172 contracting parties. And I must add, you have made history. In the 45 years of all COPs, it is the first time that we have a head of state who has also invited other heads of state. This is the second time that the COP has happened here on the African soil, the first happening in Uganda in 2005. 20 years later, we're here in Victoria Falls. This COP is indeed a turning point, Your Excellency. At this point, as you launch as we launched last week the Global Wetland Outlook, you have heard from Her Excellency Minister Ndlovu the sobering and yet motivating report that was to really talk about why should we protect wetlands. And if there is a region that really understands the value of water and the value of wetland, it is here. Because in the last 43 years, we experienced the worst drought in the last few years. It was indeed a warning sign to our systems because we depend on wetlands for water, for food, the biodiversity, and even for our climate. And yet still, these systems have been undervalued, underfunded, and also underrepresented in national planning. So here in this room, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, you are the ones that will shape the priorities of your convention.